Hi, it's Todd at Filament Lighting, and we're trying to give your dining room a new look. If you're looking for that classic, modern, contemporary look, I'm gonna give you 3 ideas in 3 different budgets. I know it's difficult to find dining room lighting in contemporary and modern because there's thousands to choose from, but let me narrow it down a little bit for you with my 3 choices. This is my lower in budget selection. This one's in satin black and chrome. It's a great company called Hinckley. They do a really nice job. It's 26 wide, so it'll fit in a lot of different sized dining rooms because it's open and area and you can see through it really nicely. This is my midpoint selection. I love this. In fact, it's probably one of my favorite fixtures right now. It's bronze on the outside, it's gold on the inside. It also comes with white and silver leaf on the inside, but it's just really clean, has a little bit of movement without it being a busy fixture. I like how it keeps everything kind of on one plane, so I would hang this fixture a little bit lower so you can see over the top of it in your dining room. But it comes in 2 sizes, and it's super versatile, but a ton of light. It's a dedicated LED fixture. This is my 3rd choice and higher end choice. It's a little bit larger fixture, but it's stunning. It's kind of the look right now. It comes in a natural brass finish, which isn't shiny. It's kind of a flat, dull brass finish. Tons of light from this fixture, but it's a huge statement, but towards the higher end of my price point. If you like any of these 3 fixtures, click on the links below to go right to the website and check out the pricing and sizes and things. If you need some more ideas, email us at info@filamentlighting.com. Send us some photos of your dining room, and we'll give you our ideas of some contemporary or modern fixtures.